Okay guys, so here I am with a tutorial for my box braids. As you can see, my hair is now red, which I had turned my hair red from having it blue, and I had to fade it out with a toner shampoo, which I love to use to get rid of all different types of colors. I technically use the toner shampoo and leave it in for about an hour to go ahead and change the hair color or to strip the hair color from my hair to then create a new color so that I can turn my hair red. Now, I am adding the hair into my parted section so that I can go ahead and create my braid. What I do is I part my hair in sections and then I go ahead and find enough hair to add to it so that I can now create the thickness in the braid that I want. When I feel like I'm starting to run out of hair for the braid, I go ahead and add more hair so the braid can be one size. That makes it a lot better. It makes it look better, actually. There's many times where I would not add the extra hair and then the braid come out extra skinny and it doesn't look right at all. So I figured out how to go ahead and feed in the hair as I braid if I need to. As you can see, I'm now braiding down. I braid pretty fast, so it didn't take me too long to complete this hairstyle. Maybe it took about 6 hours, but yeah. As you guys can see, my hair is being braided super fast. And I love doing braids. I love doing my hair. It's very relaxing. A lot of the time it makes me happier once I'm done. And I've seen the work that I did. It's refreshing. It's refreshing to know that I don't have to rely on someone else to do my hair as well. So I'm just looking at my kid right now. Or I think I was watching something at the time, watching music videos. I'm not sure what I was looking at, but I like to keep myself occupied when I'm doing my hair, whether it be listening to music or watching videos or watching a TV show or something, just to pass the time. I think when I'm watching something while doing my hair, it makes it a lot easier. It makes the time go by faster, I guess, in a way, because my mind is like occupied and my hands are busy and everything's just going smoothly. Yeah, but I love watching music videos and listening to music while doing my hair. It just makes the time pass better. Yeah, so I did do majority of my braids off camera because had I not did that, oh boy, this video would have been too many hours long. It probably would have been too much to edit. So yeah, a lot of my majority of the hair was done off camera, but I did leave out a few sections so I can go ahead and show you guys how I install my box braids, and maybe you can, learn from me as well as everyone else. Oh, and by the way, I mixed two colors to create the depth of this color. I ended up mixing a black braiding hair in with this light burgundy braiding hair, which made it a little bit darker, but it actually made it match my natural hair. even better than it was before, because the red hair, as dark as it is right now, it was not that color before I started mixing the hair together. So yes, you can definitely change colors of braiding hair. It's all about how you mix it up with each other. I usually use the pre-stretched braiding hair that comes in a 3-pack, and around my way, the 3-pack is about $6.99, $7 each. So I would usually buy about 3 of those. Sometimes I use all the hair. Sometimes I only use 2 packs, which would technically be like six bundles, if you want to call it that. But yeah, this hair, I love the pre-stretched. It's easier to braid with. It gets tangled a little bit, but it's nowhere near as bad as the Kanekalon hair that we used to use back in the day, okay? This pre-stretched hair is wonderful, and it's just smooth sailing when it comes to braiding with it. Yeah, I began to rejoice because I was at the last braid. And I was about tired of doing my hair at this point. So I was like, yes, finally at the last braid. I'm so happy I was able to do this tutorial. I was not prepared really to be on camera, but I got over my fear. I chose to do the video so you guys can go ahead and see how I do my hair when it comes to braiding. It's very simple. If you guys want to see more, just let me know. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can always know when I'm loading the next video. And pretty soon, I'll probably do a tutorial on my quick weave so you guys can see how I do that and make it look seamless. And it always comes out beautiful. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and please tune in to all my videos. And if you haven't seen previous videos, you can go ahead and check those out as well. Like them, comment, leave a like, leave a heart, leave something so I can know you there. All right, guys, it's all love. Thank you. Oh, also, I braid pretty tight, so my scalp was pretty sore at this point, but it was worth it. My braids lasted me as long as I chose for them to last, because I usually take my hair out whenever I feel like it. You know, it's no time limit for me. I can spend 7 hours in the mirror doing my hair one day and then take it out within that week. It's just, I have busy hands. That's just what I do. But yes, thanks for tuning in and thanks for sticking by me. All my new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. Okay, stay tuned for my little clip that I chose to insert just to show you guys a little bit of my family, somewhat of a bloopers clip, if you will. But yeah, here you go.
My naked baby wanna be in it. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Get ready.
All right,